Hey guys, this is airbed, Lichfield airbed and Lichfield battery electric pump. So we're going to set this up and use it out in the garden. So this is this size energizer battery. You need 4 of those to use this pump. To set this pump up, you need to open up this side and also open up this side. Then you need to put the battery inside it. So the way this goes is the negative side need to be at the bottom, then the positive need to be the bottom on this end. So you alternate it, and this end the positive needs to be up, then this end positive need to be at the bottom. Then here we go. This is to show you that it's working. Then you need to put this back and close this. So make sure you lock properly. Close it. And this in. Now we're going to pump this. The way this works, push it inside it, then switch it on. Brilliant. Nice, thank you.